Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but very, very explosive last 30 minutes. I know some news came out, and that brings about a very rational question to ask, and that question is based on the fact that, well, the price made a really nice move. And when you consider where the price was at its low points on the day, and then all of a sudden where it ultimately closed, any rational person would say, yeah, that price certainly did make a very, very nice move. But that does lead now to wondering, well, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine, longer lasting strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in order to do this, I'm just going to focus on one level here, and this is a line I've talked about in the past, but this area of support right here at 1730. Why is 1730 important, and how can it help us answer this question? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about the price coming down here and then all of a sudden breaking to the downside. What would that be doing to the price at that point in time? It would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price goes down here, however, in this situation, behaves like that and then begins to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying progress as $17.30. Now, what about levels of resistance going forward? As far as where the sellers are at currently, main level, or I should really say initial level going into tomorrow right there at $18.40. If the price can push up through $18.40, then the next key overarching level right up there at about $19.15. But anyway, you slice it, very, very powerful move, powerful the last 30 minutes. So let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.